Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you're using GenSpark to develop and you'd like to download the source code, I've got you covered. You can follow along if you click on the link in the description down below to get started with GenSpark, and I'll take you through every step. So let's dive in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we need to do is go to our AI developer, and essentially you want to look for where you have actually developed your website or your web page. And this is where I'm at, and this is what it looks like. Now, to get that source code, you can go into index, and you can see that this is all of the code. You are going to Control A, copy, or select all, sorry, and then Control C, you're going to copy everything, and then here you can paste it in whichever development tool you're using. The second option is going to the preview option, clicking on this little arrow on the right hand side, open in a new window. This is what it will look like. And straight from here, you are going to either right click and click on save as, or you can go into the three dots here, go down to cast, save and share, and then save page as. Here you can see it's going to be saved in web page complete, web page single file, or HTML only. Let's do HTML only. Make sure that you're naming it correctly and go ahead and say save. You'll now have your source code downloaded.